Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. The jade plant is a low maintenance, succulent and popular house plant that can live for several decades when cared for properly. We have uploaded a lot of videos about jade plant, but in today's video I will show you a summer cure for the jade plant. Now, how to prevent its yellowing of leaf, how to prevent it from insect attack, and how to make it more green and bushy. Jade plants are succulents with thick oval leaves and stout stems. Jade plant symbolize good luck, fortune, and prosperity in some cultures. Jade plants are toxic to cats and dogs, so it's wise to keep them out of reach of pets. In Delhi's semi-desert area, there is always a dust wind, so the leaves become very dull and very dusty. Now I will show you how my mom keeps the leaves free of dust. For this, you must get a bowl and then put some liquid soft detergent, shampoo or any kind of soap and dilute it with water. Then take a soft brush and clean both sides of the leaf like my mom is doing. Make sure that the soapy liquid should not mix with the soil. And to do that, you can tilt your plant. And at last, you can wash the leaves so that there is no detergent left there. And as needed, my mom has pruned some tips to make the plant more bushy. Like this, my mom is cleaning all the plants. Okay, till then, let me tell you some basic care. Jade plants like sunlight, but too much of direct sunlight can scorch the leaves of young jade plants or causing the leaves of mature plants to develop red tips. So what my mom thinks is the best is to keep these jade plants in the sunlight in the morning for 2 to 3 hours and then give them indirect sunlight for the rest of the time. While my mom was cleaning the plants, did you see the mealybugs? Yes, they are a major problem, but the soapy water can also remove the mealybugs. Now the next point is to water the plants. Water sparingly in your jade plants as overwatering jade plants can develop root rot. So less is more than watering. Many people say that do not spray or water the foliage of the jade plant. But what can we do? For the dust in the foliage, we have to clean it and spray some water on it. But there is no major problem in the plants. So if you wish, you can spray some water on the foliage of the plant. And about the fertilizer, the jade plants need minimum amount of fertilizer, like only once in a year. But my mom sprays Bioenzymes once in a month as it acts as an insecticide and a nutrition-based source. Okay, now with this, let's end this video. I hope you enjoyed about jade plants care. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.